Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to add multiple videos to a playlist at the same time on YouTube using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the videos. On this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for YouTube, and some videos that we have uploaded to the account, and the ability to create playlists. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this way for that to load. Now let's go to YouTube Studio via a shortcut within bookmarks. Click on this way for that to load. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to the left-hand side navigation menu, go to content. We now want to quickly create a playlist. Create new playlist, call this playlist a test playlist. Copy the title, add that to the description, visibility public. We want to change the sort order to date added oldest first. We can add some videos from here. Let's now create the playlist itself. So that itself has been created. Now let's go back one, go to videos. And now let's filter by, let's just say, the most viewed videos. Select a couple of videos at the same time. And we then want to now go to add playlist. And let's click on a test playlist. Go to save. So those videos that were all selected together have now been added to the same playlist at the same time. Let's now go to playlists. And here we have that playlist with 6 videos all added at the same time. So we can now go back one, go back to videos, close that, quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.